June 27th, Lake Travis. This is Tournament Point. We're beach launching because, well, the ramp's closed. It's underwater. And Texas Fascination Kayak Series. I don't remember what number my second to last stop. 6 a.m. We're gonna launch. Lines in 6:30, lines out 3. Strong south or southerly breeze. And in 10 seconds we get to take off. Doesn't look like there's gonna be probably some top water in the back of the coves, but all right, y'all. There she is on the dock, 6. This is Mud Cove. Thanks, buddy. 14.5. Couldn't get him to put his tail down to 14.75. What a pain in the butt. Right here in front of me. I see ya. Oh, there's one. That's a good one. Yeah. It's about a 3-pounder right there. See if we can get him in. Wants to jump. GoPro, how you doing? GoPro, stop recording. All right, just making sure GoPro's turned on. Look at this beauty right here, y'all. What woods? Got him on the flopper. Got him on the flopper. I missed the first bite on top water. I missed the first one. I landed 2, 3, and no wait, yeah, the 4th bite, but 3rd fish. I lost fish number 4, and then fish number 5 was 10 inches and under. It's 7. That was fish number 4, 14.5. You're letting me down, GoPro. You are really letting me down today, GoPro. All right, this is fish number 4. Right bleeding a little bit. Let's get it back in the water. It's 9:15. I have 4 fish, 59.75 inches. Caught a couple unders, Texas rig. No more top water bite, no more bites on swim jig. I'm still in Mud Cove. I haven't left. I mean, I was catching fish, so why leave? And now I'm going to run out to this buoy line, and I also want to check this point right here. I took that jerkbait off, just wasn't getting any real interest on it, and put on the shaky head. So let's see what we can do out here. The sun's a lot higher. They got to be moving deeper. That's what I've seen. I don't think I've seen many fish shallower than 9 feet right now. So we're gonna run out, run this line, and then from there we might start running the inside. I don't know, maybe we'll run over that bluff and throw on that bluff too. I'm not decided yet. I mean, we've got 6 hours to fish, and I haven't even left, the cove I started in, so I don't necessarily have to run 3 or 4 miles upriver. I just need to find the fish. GoPro, stop recording. Threw on the chop block, just had one swipe at it first cast. Awesome. Right off the ledge right here. One came off the bottom and just smoked it. It's 11 o'clock, almost 11. I still need fish number 5. I came over to these ledges throwing a chop block. First cast I got nailed, but he missed it. I just dragged through these 2 slips and had one totally miss it and blew up the water. Chop block. I don't know how to hook them, I guess. I'm still at the ledges across from Tournament Point. I just missed the 3rd fish. They're just tearing apart this craw. They never hit the hook. So I don't know how to cure that. Number 5. All right, 16 1/4. Sorry, buddy, I didn't keep you out so long. All right, that fish, I can't catch any fish. I've missed a ton of short strikes. Really frustrated, a lot of cussing. I ended up throwing a watermelon Senko in the brush. I swear I missed one. Like when I set the hook, pulling, drag, and everything. I checked it. Who knows? Probably just a tree, right? That one, same thing. You don't feel the bite. They're not hitting it. It's just you got to feel the pressure on the line. In that case, I actually saw the line move, and I couldn't get that fish in the boat. I tried to net him, got the net stuck on a live scope, which I don't even use right now. And then I got a fish in the boat the fish swung outside the boat. It was a mess, a terrible, terrible mess. I am at 76 inches with 12 1/4 is my smallest. So good. In the morning, 28th of June, back at Lady Bird. I got here late. I was probably the 8th person to launch. in that last 20 minutes. 2 bass boats, 1 V-hull. It's gonna be an interesting day out here. Oh, flip. Oh, too far. Oh, flip didn't go as planned. All right, okay. Get out. Motherfucker. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Get away from the pilots. I got you, girl. Oh, she ran back into the pilots. Shit, I'm gonna lose her. Nice, look at that. Good fish, good fish. Man. 17. Look at that hole in her gill plate. Hi, girl. Yeah! 17. Fifteen and a half. Good one. Shit. 1575. Oh, I lost him at the boat. Shit, I lost another one. They love this swimmer, dude. They love it. This guy's blown out, man. I can't rethread him anymore. Get a new one. Dude, they're killing it.